I heard there's a 1930 Ford Model A in here, untouched for years, and if it's real, we're taking it home today.
They let this old 1930 Ford Model A go for 50 bucks, so now the only thing that matters is getting it out and bringing it back. All right, old girl, let's see what we're working with here. Quite a job.
All right, here it is. Let's see what we've got. Okay, let's keep it steady. Slow and easy. Just a little further. Good, now hook the chains. All right, she's here. Looks like the real deal.
Yeah, good shape for her age.
Definitely a keeper. Let's get to work.
The Model A is perfectly positioned, ready for a detailed inspection. All right, let's see how much force this is going to take. That oil should loosen it up. Hopefully it's pretty seized.
All right, front wheel's off. Looks like we've got some rust to deal with here.
All right, time to tackle this rear wheel. Let's see what years of grime have done under here. All right, suspension is perfect. Now, the wheels. The latch is stuck. Okay, got it. Wow, that's seen better days. Brittle wires, oil. This is going to be a restoration. All right, fenders are off. Let the real work begin. Real work begin. All right, let's take a look at the rear of this 1930 Ford Model A. Fenders are off. You can really see the years of dirt along these edges. All right, here's that original bumper. Time to come off.
Yeah.
Just have to break it free now. Got it? Looks pretty corroded in there. All right, let's get this light off. Oxidized trim, cloudy lens, but the wiring looks pretty solid. All right, driver's side. Loosen the bottom first.
Okay.
Top hinge is next. Careful now. And set it aside with the other one. All right, let's get this out. The trim's pretty brittle. Careful with that edge. Got it. Looks like she's finally free. Good job. Years of grime exposed. You can see where the trim sat, all this dust and rust trapped underneath. Going to take some work to get this off. All right, driver's side out. Looks heavy. Years of dirt in these cushions. Now for the passenger side. All right, let's see what we're dealing with under here. That's some serious rust and nests. This'll be a job. You can see where the backlight has cracked over time. Carefully removing these tiny screws is essential to preserving the integrity of the dash. All right, so here we have the steering wheel removed from this 1930 Model A. You can see the dark navy blue finish here. Tighten those chains carefully. Affirmative. Secure the hoist. Engaged. All right, the block's free. This 30 Model A is ready for the overhaul.
All right, time to get this one cleaned up. Look at that come off, good.
Time to get this classic looking perfect. All right, that should do it. Let's get to work on this old paint. Time to get into these tight gaps. This is where all the dirt hides. Just need to break it up and rinse it out. The tricky curves on this model really need a gentle touch with the right foam. Making sure every detail is perfect.
All right, let's get this running board looking brand new. There we go, that's better.
All right, let's get this interior cleaned out. Decades of dirt in here. Watch all that straw and dust go. Getting to the metal now.
All right, time to tackle this firewall. You can already see those contours coming through.
You can see the grime just flushing out of there. This is where it all hides.
That's a lot of old grease.
Yeah, getting it all out.
All right, let's get these Model A plates clean.
Time to tackle this engine block. Decades of grime are about to disappear. All right, let's get this cylinder head rinsed. We've got a lot of grime built up, so a powerful spray is necessary to break through. The heart of the Ford Model A. Let's get these passages flowing again. See how the brass pops? Back to life. This is the final stage of flushing the tank. We're looking for all this rust and stale fuel to drain out so we can start fresh. The heart of any restoration is in the details. Watch as we bring these 1930 Ford Model A hinges and latches back to life.
All right, time to tackle this old Ford Model A seat frame. Getting all this rust and padding off.
Decades of grime. Watch this disappear. Wow, that's beautiful. Yeah, perfect. All right, time to tackle these old Ford Model A pedals. Years of grime need to come off to get to that bearing. The Model A is ready. Look at that shine. Years of work, all worth it. Perfection. The Model A's done. Now, let's dry these seams and louvers properly, no water left behind. The rich navy blue paint is really coming alive. You can see the depth now that it's dried. The 30 Ford Model A, stripped and cleaned, ready for the next phase. Look at that finish. All right, this paint looks okay, but we need to check the metal underneath. There, you can see the pitting starting right here, and that section down near the rocker panel is dangerously thin.
All right, let's hit this fender. This rust needs to go. Looks like good progress.
The running boards always take the most abuse. Get rid of this crust, and we can start laying down some new finish. Crafting perfect contour requires patience and precision. Feel for the high spots, watch the dust. That's the key to block sanding smoothness. Pass. Every panel of this 1930 Ford Model A is hand-prepped for paint. We're creating a perfect foundation.
All right, time to clear this frame. This is going to be loud. We're really getting into that rust now. All right, time for the primer coat. Even passes, no holidays, looking good.
That's right. We've stripped these components from the Model A down to bare metal. Yeah. And now, after refinishing them in a durable... The heart of the Model A, rebuilt and ready. Beautiful work. Precision is everything. We're honing the block of a 1930 Model A to perfection. Just look at that crosshatch. Welcome to SK Restoration, where we bring classic cars back to life. Today we're focusing on this 1930 Ford Model A crankshaft. Polished, measured, and ready to go. All right, time for the rebuild. Precision is key. Looking good, Jim. That's a Model A masterpiece in the making. The heart of the Model A. Crankshaft and bearings in. Now to seat the rods. This cylinder head has been completely resurfaced and rebuilt using restored original valve hardware. The heart of the Model A, cleaned and ready to breathe again. The ignition system of a Model A is simple. Get the components right, and it will run forever. This is the freshly rebuilt heart of the 1930 Ford Model A. Every piece cleaned and polished, ready to bring it back to life.
All right, looking perfect. Masking is tight, surfaces are flawless. Just about ready. All right, time for the base coat. The dark navy is going to look great on this 30 Ford. All right, time for the final clear coat. All right, perfect. Let's let it flash. Looks perfect.
The trim is starting to gleam. Just one last pass on the radiator. Welcome to SK Restoration. Today, we're bringing new life to the wheels of this 1930 Ford Model A. Watch the transformation.
All right, perfect fit. 1 down, 3 to go. Looks great, Mark.
The fuel system components for the Model A are restored to crisp order. We've got fresh lines and cleaned fittings. It's ready to go.
The heart is ready, and the eyes are perfect. Couldn't be prouder.
All right, lowering now. Keep an eye on the clearance. Looking good. Just a little more. All right, fitment is perfect. Now to torque it down. Here's the satisfying click we're looking for.
Precision every single time. Perfect. All right, easy does it.
Yeah.
Nice and tight now.
All right, slowly now. Perfect, that's it. Body meets stance.
All right, perfect fit. Just needs to be secured.
All right, now that we've got the chassis cleaned and ready, let's put these fenders back on and make this 1930 Ford Model A look like it's fresh off the line. The cream headlights, perfectly period correct, really make the Navy Model A pop, just the way it should be. The bumper and trim are back on, completing this Model A with the finest details. Look at that shine.
Perfect. Absolutely perfect.
All right, this is the final fitting. Nice and snug.
Perfect. She's ready to go.
Good as new. Perfectly solid.
All right, that insulation looks good. Now for the floor mats, got to get these cut just right. Perfect fit, nice and secure.
All right, perfect. Just like it's supposed to be. The stitching is perfect. That's a great fit.
It's finally done. Every detail is perfect.
After all these hours, she's finally perfect. A true masterpiece. It's been a long road. This restored 1930 Ford Model A truly embodies side profile perfection, showcasing the precision and dedication of SK Restoration.
All right, easy does it. That's it. Looking good. Yeah, absolutely beautiful.
After months of hard work, the 1930 Ford Model A is finally finished. Look at this paint.
And just like that, it breathes again. All right, here we go. It's working. Yeah, good job. Keep it slow. Another job well done. The old girl runs like a dream.
This 1930 Ford Model A, finished in dark navy blue, is a testament to true craftsmanship. If you want to see more forgotten classics brought back like this 1930 Ford Model A, stay with me for the next restoration. This old 1930 Ford Model A was almost lost, and now it's alive again, so subscribe and let's find the next one.